World's most delicious dishes you'll want to try. We may not be able to visit every place on the planet, but sampling a culture's trademark foods is a terrific way to get a sense of it. Cook up a storm in your own home, or, if dining out is in the cards, choose a nice restaurant and let your taste buds embark on a gastronomic journey around the world. Here is a list of popular foods that you should try. 1. Beef Wellington. Beef Wellington's roots are as hazy as Arthur Wellesley, 1st Duke of Wellington's relationship with him. It's traditionally a beef fillet steak wrapped in puff pastry and baked with pâté and mushroom duels, an extremely finely chopped blend of mushrooms, shallots, and herbs. Gordon Ramsay, who has made it one of his hallmark dishes, is largely responsible for its present popularity. 2. Onion soup. Few recipes are as cozy as French onion soup, which is made with mellow, slowly cooked, caramelized onions and white wine and cognac broth. A variant of the soup is considered to have existed since Roman times, although the contemporary version dates from the 18th century in Paris. The soup is served in a ramekin with a slice of baguette and melted cheese, which is then grilled. 3. Peking duck. Peking duck, a meal that has been prepared and eaten in Beijing since the Imperial Dynasty, is now a popular Chinese restaurant dish all over the world. The duck can be prepared and cooked in a variety of ways, but it was traditionally roasted in a closed oven until the Qing dynasty created the open oven approach to cook many ducks at once. Steamed Chinese pancakes, cucumber, spring onion, and sweet bean sauce accompany the duck. 4. Jerk chicken. Jerk is a Jamaican way of marinating meat with allspice and Scotch bonnet peppers. Its name is thought to be Spanish, originating from the Peruvian term charqui, which means dried strips of flesh. The meat is grilled, and the ensuing smoky and spicy flavors and fragrances are wonderful. Jerk huts may be seen almost everywhere in the Caribbean. 5. Bobotie. Bobotie, pronounced bob-or-tea, is South Africa's national cuisine, consisting of curried beef and fruit with a creamy, egg-based golden covering. It's been around for millennia, with a mixed cultural heritage. If you imagine it as a cross between a shepherd's pie and a moussaka, you'll be close. 6. SHAKSHUKA. Untangling the web of where SHAKSHUKA comes from is simply difficult in North Africa and the Middle East, where it is claimed as one of their own. All we know is that it's a delicious and hearty breakfast and brunch dish that's become popular all around the world. It's commonly made by reducing tomatoes, onions, and a variety of spices before poaching the eggs on top. 7. LAKSA. There are several types of laksa, ranging from regional differences to modifications in preparation, and the origins are a mystery, with many ideas circulating in various regions. The soup is usually prepared with thick wheat noodles or rice vermicelli and served with chicken, prawns, or fish in a rich and spicy coconut milk broth or a tangy tamarind broth. 8. Clam chowder. The best food in Massachusetts is creamy clam chowder, which is popular throughout New England. It's a flavorful and hearty dish to have all year long, made with potatoes, crushed oyster crackers, and chunks of local clam. Legal Seafoods in Boston, the most famous spot to eat, started out as a market frequented by Julia Child and has been serving up exquisite chowder for decades. 9. Gua bao. In the last decade or two, the popularity of bao buns has exploded in the Western world, and while these steamed buns are Chinese in origin, the Taiwanese variety has proven to be the most popular. Slices of pig belly flesh are topped with pickled mustard greens, coriander, and ground peanuts in a typical gua bao. 10. Goulash. The classic Hungarian goulash is actually a soup, despite its popularity as a meat sauce or stew throughout Europe and beyond. Beef shin, shank, or shoulder, as well as vegetables, usually carrot, peppers, celery, but not potatoes, are generously seasoned with paprika and slow cooked in broth in a cauldron over an open fire. It's then served in a bread bowl or with spätzle noodles, which are a Hungarian specialty. 11. Tacos. The enigmatic origins of these soft corn tortillas filled with delectable beef, pig, and chicken are typically linked back to Mexico's 18th century silver mines. Unlike American tacos, Mexican tacos are devoid of toppings such as lettuce, tomato, cheese, and even sour cream. In truth, coriander, finely diced white onion, and a form of salsa or, occasionally, guacamole are commonly seen on Mexican tacos. 12. Jollof rice. Jollof rice is a West African one-pot dish whose origins are disputed by Nigeria, Ghana, Senegal, and a few other West African countries. The rice is added to a spicy tomato sauce and cooked till ready in the Nigerian variation. Ghanaians use basmati rice for long grain rice, and their version of jollof rice is hotter. Which is the superior option? We weren't able to say anything. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.